I should probably get a job, but fuck that. I enjoy my free time more than I enjoy having money. Cannot wait to go on holiday. It's gonna be amazing. Fuck. Like, it's finally warm here, but I want like warm. I booked like 2 weeks in Greece. It's gonna be great. I cannot wait for it. Get a green, please. Come on. Ah, fuck. He's gonna get a green first. Then we're probably gonna get a toll stop around this small cars come up. No cars on the left. I hope that all the time front isn't gonna go left. Is he gonna go left? No. I need to do some work on my bike. I need to do my chain, sprockets, front brake pads, oil filter, air filter. I should do tires as well because they're getting kind of shit. But tires are expensive, even though there's the only thing keeping me on the road. There's also like this rear back panel which got cracked in the crash like half a year ago. And I really should replace it, but I barely see it. No one notices it. It just looks a bit like cracked down the middle. Worst part is there's a bunch of water coming into it. I'm actually not even sure how the mic quality is right now. I mean, you can probably hear me fine, but once it starts moving, it's probably not that pleasant. I mean, I could have really went for it, but fuck it. I'm trying to ride, eco mode-ish, kind of, maybe, half. I've got hospital bills to pay, insurance bills to pay. I just paid 1.5k for a holiday. I need to pay university as well. So I'm kind of fucking broke, is what I'm saying. I should probably get a job, but fuck that. I enjoy my free time more than I enjoy having money. There's no cops anywhere today. I mean, I know where I'm going, I know the route. There shouldn't be any cameras, ideally, but you never know what happens around here. But I'm hoping there's no cameras. Oh, look. I could have gone faster, but fuck it. If they put the camera on here again, let's see. I cannot see it, so it's probably not up. God, I fucking love this way to talk about the cycles. Let's put it on gas. Oh, look at that, a fellow Romanian. Let's go. Look at that, Romanian to shove off. Let's go. Probably not the smartest thing to do because there's like a fucking cop station right behind me, but fuck it. Trick I used to do here is I would just go straight ahead. Normally, yeah, you can't go if it's a fucking cluster or something. But it's just like 5 meters, and it's only while you cross the fucking, there's like a hole in the road, you know, like a bump, but a reverse bump. So yeah, I would just go there and either just, yeah, avoid it or go like on the bike path, not the fucking side, like parking area here. It's a shame that the fucking on the right is closed down. Such a nice, it's not good nice, but it's a nice road in the city. Bumpy, not on third floor.